write the missing number. Y over 5 plus y, here's the missing number, equals to 3y over 10. So let's start it off with substituting the missing number with x. Like this. Boop. Okay. So after we found x, the first thing we need to do is separate the x from the rest. So let's move this to here. Now the basics of algebra is that whatever you do to the left will be affected on what you do to the right. So if we do, can you not fam right now? Okay, if we do minus y over 5, it will be reflected the same thing over here. And now we can just, since if y over 5 minus y over 5, we can just cancel these out and we only get y over x. However, not the same will happen here. Now, in order to calculate these two, we have to make the denominator the same. So 3y over 10 minus 2y over 10. So that we can just do y over 10 and y over x. So okay, we got two y's on the top and two denominators. Now remember what I said, whatever you do to the left will reflect on the right. Can you stop with the notifications? What we can do is we can actually swap it out so that y is on the bottom, x over y, 10 over y, because it's the same thing. Like let's say 1 over 2 is 1 over x, we can do the same thing with 2 over 1 x over 1, and then we can just get 2 is equals to x. They're the same thing. So then we can just remove the y's using x over y times y, 10 over y times y. And then, can you stop? And then afterwards, cancel these out, and you get x over 10. What's the proof? How do we know this is true? Well, let's refer back to the original question. Y over 5 plus y, let's substitute in the x. So y over 5 plus y over 10, which is our x down here, equals to 3y over 10. Now let's times this to 2y over 10 to make the denominator the same. Y over 10, and you see how everything clicks. 2y plus y, 3y, and then the same thing. So that's your answer. The answer is 10.